Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today we're having a false fall day. So even though it has been in the 80s and 90s recently, today it's in the 60s and it's feeling kind of cozy. So I was looking in my wardrobe this morning and realizing how much I've appreciated my summer clothes. So here's my wardrobe. And I've got some really pretty colors and fabrics. I tend to have gone towards a fun, breezy type of look. It's got the detail of more of a round neck because I like that look. And then I really liked having the roll-up sleeves in the summer. And this has worked for kind of an overshirt where I've worn my tank tops with it. And then pink. This is a pink linen. Linen is one of those summer fabrics that I'm just so thankful for. Maybe I'll turn this camera around so it's a little easier. Whites that have just gone so good over the tops of the tank tops. You've seen me in the garden a lot in the pink one and in the turquoise one. Sometimes the red one, the white one. I've also got a black one. I basically just kind of lived in these tank tops all summer long and then have either worn them with my little skirt, which I guess I've had that for about a year now, but it's so nice being able to have the little shorts underneath them that are all stretchy, to have so many pockets on the front of them that are useful, including this little one that I put my library card in when I go up to the library. It's a little zipper pocket. And then you've seen me in the garden, my garden pants that have the pockets in the cargo. And then what I like about these is they've got legs that I can zip on, so I can wear them as shorts in the summertime in the gardening, and then when it gets to be fall, or I can wear with the long pants on it. And then linen pants that I've worn with, again, all of the little tank tops. And then either the white overshirt or the pink overshirt. Or if I've been in the garden, I've worn this overshirt. What I like about it is it's got like gussets under the armpits. And it's got a chamois down here that I can wipe my glasses with. And it's got, you can even tell how faded it is. Here it's not faded, but there it really is, because I spend my time out in the sun. So this protects me from getting sunburn out in the garden. So that's my gardening shirt. My gardening outfit is basically this right here with whatever tank top goes with it. And then the gardening hat that I wear. And the other thing that I wear when I'm walking to the library on the hottest of days is this wonderful linen tank dress. And it's just a swing tank dress. Has pockets, which are nice to keep the Kleenexes in. My mom used to always have Kleenexes. She always, if you needed a Kleenex, Mom always had it. And now I'm the person who has the Kleenexes. But pretty much, that's what I've worn all summer long when it's been in the 60s through 90s, has been these three bottoms, this dress, these tank tops. If it's a little cooler, then sometimes I'd wear a short sleeve t-shirt. But then that in the garden, and then an overshirt, sometimes this pink sweater over the tank tops. But those have been the outfits that I've been wearing all summer long. I think some people might look at this smaller wardrobe and feel that it's not very many clothes. But I look at it and it's like so few things make it a lot easier to decide what you're going to wear in the morning. And everything here is something useful, practical. I think think another reason why I've so enjoyed this smaller capsule wardrobe this summer is it's like whenever I've gone for a vacation, having less choices so I could spend more time enjoying myself on vacation instead of deciding what to wear and hauling stuff around. It's just the items I need, and I just look forward to wearing them each day. When the fall does hit, for sure, not just a kind of a fall weather day like we're having today, but when fall really does hit, I'll be able to get out some new clothes and feel what those feel like, and the fabrics and the colors that bring me joy for that particular season, even if that season is just a month or two. So just wanted to bring that up today. It's just so freeing to enjoy what you have so that you can live the life that you want. Thanks for being with me today, and thanks for watching Barb Talks.